Here is the GameSir G7 Pro, a premium multi-platform gaming controller designed for players who demand precision, customization, and seamless connectivity. Whether you game on Xbox, PC, or Android, this controller adapts effortlessly to your setup. With advanced stick technology, Hall effect triggers, gyroscope support, and deep software customization, the G7 Pro is built to enhance both competitive and casual gameplay. The GameSir G7 Pro features a well-balanced design that feels solid and comfortable in hand. With a product size of 152 by 103 by 58 mm and a net weight of 272 grams, it offers a sturdy, premium feel without causing fatigue during long gaming sessions. The controller sits naturally in the palms, providing good grip and control. Its balanced weight distribution enhances stability, while the overall shape supports extended play. One of the standout features is tri-mode connectivity, which makes switching platforms a breeze. Xbox plug-in via USB-C, PC, take your pick. Wired or 2.4 GHz wireless for low latency gameplay. Mobile gaming, Bluetooth pairing with Android phones and tablets is smooth and instant. The physical mode switch is convenient, letting you flip between devices without a hitch. And the detachable cable retainer keeps your connection rock solid, even during intense sessions. The Magres TMR thumbsticks are buttery smooth, accurate and durable. No drift worries here. Combined with Hall effect analog triggers, your control is both responsive and consistent, perfect for racing games, shooters and fast-paced action titles. And for those split-second reactions, the micro switch trigger stops give a crisp, satisfying click that really elevates competitive gameplay. You feel it, you react, and you dominate. A built-in gyroscope expands control options for PC gamers. Through software mapping, the gyro can be assigned to stick movement, button input, or mouse control, allowing more refined aiming and smoother camera adjustments. This feature is especially useful for FPS and simulation titles, where small movements make a big difference in accuracy and immersion. Customization is where the G7 Pro really shines. It includes 4 dedicated macro buttons that can be programmed for complex commands, combos, or shortcuts. The upgraded GameSir software allows users to configure extra button settings, adjust sensitivity, fine-tune vibration, and customize overall controller behavior. This flexibility helps players optimize performance for different game genres and playstyles. The controller uses optical micro-switch A, B, X, Y buttons for fast, responsive input with consistent feedback. Directional control is handled by a mechanical micro-switch D-pad, offering crisp and reliable inputs. For visual and ergonomic customization, the G7 Pro features a 3-part magnetic swappable faceplate, and an extra D-pad is included, allowing you to tweak both aesthetics and feel without needing tools. It's these little touches that make using the G7 Pro such a satisfying experience. To enhance realism, the G7 Pro is equipped with 4 independent rumble motors that deliver detailed and immersive haptic feedback. A 3.5mm audio jack supports headset use during both wired and 2.4G wireless play, ensuring clear sound and communication. Players can also boost game volume, reduce voice chat volume, or instantly mute using the dedicated mute button. The Smart Auto start-stop charging station simplifies charging by automatically managing power to protect battery health. The controller supports a 1000 Hz polling rate on PC via wired and 2.4G connections, ensuring ultra-responsive input. For troubleshooting, a pin reset option is included, making recovery quick and hassle-free. Many gamers value controllers for the immersion vibration they bring, and the GameSir G7 Pro excels in this area. As an Xbox licensed controller, it accurately mirrors Xbox's native vibration logic with 250 Hz and 500 Hz polling rates. Vibration in both the grips and triggers delivers precise feedback for collisions, terrain changes, and interactions. In supported games like F125, the Hall effect triggers with micro vibration motors let players feel tire slip, braking stress, and road texture directly through the triggers, enhancing realism. With its precise controls, flexible connectivity, deep customization, and thoughtful convenience features, the GameSir G7 Pro stands out as a powerful all-in-one controller. It's a strong choice for gamers who want professional level performance across multiple platforms without repeating compromises. That's all about the GameSir G7 Pro. If you want more content like this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned.